Hello, day 4 of March Madness, and we're going to do another spinal warm-up today, a slightly bigger one than the one that we did yesterday. So Maria's going to straighten one leg out and the other leg is going to stay bent. This exercise also starts warming up the hips and it also warms up the shoulder a little bit, so it's quite an efficient exercise. So the arm that is on the same side as the straight leg is going to come out into a T shape, and the other arm just stays next to the side of the body. Now, your knee is going to go for a wander. It's going to walk down a corridor. And as you do that, you're going to roll towards your straight leg. So your hip is going to come up, but the other hip is heavy on the ground. And then you're going to roll your way back. And then the thigh bone comes back into the back of the corridor. So I'm using the analogy of walking down the corridor because I don't want the leg to fall in or out. Okay, so this is your stable point. Now you can add in the upper body so that as you roll, you're going to slowly take that arm up overhead and keep looking at your hand. So you can only go as far as you can keep looking at your hand, and then you're going to slowly come back. Right, and let's just do that on the other side so you can see it from that angle. So you're going to send your knee forward down the corridor and you're going to look up at your hand, and then you're going to slowly bring yourself back and into the middle. And one more time. So knee is going straight ahead. It's not wavering in or out. And it's going to come back. Beautiful. And then just relax. So that was your day 4 spine warm up for March Madness. Enjoy.